Find features that distinguish it from other brands for LOTOS LTP8500 85AMP, non-touch pilot ARC plasma cutter, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. LOTOS LTP8500 85AMP plasma cutter, 2025 model. 85 amp cutting power, up to 1 inch clean, 1.5 inch severance. Built for thick plate jobs in fabrication shops and field repairs, great for trailer frames, farm equipment, structural steel, HVAC work, and metal art, cuts stainless, alloy/mild steel, aluminum, and copper. Non-HF blowback start plus pilot ARC reliable, low interference starts on painted, rusty, or expanded mesh metal, cleaner pierces and smoother curves on shop floors and job sites. Drag cut ready. Glide the torch directly on the workpiece to trace templates or freehand lines, pair with drag cut consumables, sold separately, for best edge quality. Large LED controls. Pilot ARC time, 6 to 15 second, for grates/mesh, post flow, 2 to 10 second, helps cool and extend torch life, input pressure reminder keeps curves consistent. Quick setup and input power/air. Pre-installed NPT 1/4 inch Type D plug and air filter regulator, single phase 215 to 245 volt, recommended 50 amp breaker, requires clean, dry airless or equal 80 psi at 4.5 SCFM. Output and cutting capacity. 15 to 85 amp DC on 220/240 volt, up to 1 inch or 25 mm, clean and 1.5 inch or 38 mm, severance, depending on material and technique. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.